How can I rent a caravan in Australia? Hi guys, I'm Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and I want to have a chat to you about being able to rent a caravan in Australia. Renting a caravan is an absolutely fabulous option if you are new to caravanning or you're thinking about purchasing a particular make and model of caravan and you want to test it out before you outlay those hard-earned dollars on it. It's actually really easy to rent a caravan in Australia. You can use Camplify or Private Caravan Rentals, that's the name of the website. Both are peer-to-peer caravan rentals. You go on, you agree to the price, what you're going to have, and you get to rent it. Now, what if your car can't tow? That's also not a problem. Many of these will actually tow the caravan to the location that you want to be at and will set it up. So you would literally drive up to it like turning up to a hotel, but instead you get the beauty of the great outdoors. You turn the key, open the door, and there you are for your camping holiday. It's a really great way to try camping or trying out a different caravan that you're, umming and ahhing over purchasing without having to own it first or ever having to own a caravan. So remember, Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre is always here to help. Make sure you like and subscribe to follow along for more information.